Palawan. Palawan is an enchanting province situated in the western part of the Philippines. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, pristine beaches, and diverse marine life.
Palawan, a tropical paradise like no other. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or rendezvous with nature, Palawan has it all. So pack your bags, immerse yourself in its beauty, and experience the magic of Palawan. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is Worldiva.
The province is composed of several islands, with Palawan Island being the largest and most popular among tourists. Other notable islands include Coron, El Nido, and Puerto Princesa. Palawan boasts breathtaking landscapes, including towering limestone cliffs, crystal clear turquoise waters, and lush green forests. It is often referred to as the last frontier of the Philippines due to its unspoiled and untouched environment. Palawan is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. It offers a wide range of activities such as snorkeling, diving, island hopping, hiking, and exploring underground rivers and caves. The underground river in Puerto Princesa is one of the province's most iconic attractions. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of nature. El Nido, located in the northern part of Palawan, is renowned for its picturesque islands, towering limestone formations, and hidden lagoons. It is a paradise for beach lovers and a popular filming location for movies and TV shows. Coron is another must-visit destination in Palawan, known for its stunning diving spots and World War II shipwrecks. The clear waters around Coron are teeming with marine life and vibrant coral reefs. Palawan is home to diverse wildlife, including endemic species such as the Palawan peacock pheasant and Palawan hornbill. The Calaut Safari Park in northern Palawan allows visitors to see various African and endemic animals in a natural reserve. The indigenous people of Palawan, known as the Payalaan and Tagbanua, have a rich cultural heritage. Visitors can learn about their traditions, crafts, and way of life by visiting their communities. Palawan's culinary scene is a fusion of Filipino, Spanish, and indigenous flavors. Seafood dishes, such as grilled fish and kinala, ceviche, are popular choices. Don't miss out on trying the local specialty called tamalok, which is a type of woodworm harvested from mangrove trees. Palawan has a tropical climate with 2 distinct seasons: dry season, November to May, and wet season, June to October. It is advisable to plan your visit during the dry season to enjoy the best weather and avoid potential typhoons. Accommodation options in Palawan range from luxury resorts to budget-friendly guest houses. El Nido and Coron offer various beachfront resorts, while Puerto Princesa provides a mix of accommodations for different budgets. The local transportation system in Palawan consists of tricycles, jeepneys, and vans. In major tourist destinations like El Nido and Coron, island hopping tours are the primary mode of transportation to explore the surrounding islands. Palawan is committed to sustainable tourism practices. The local government and tour operators promote responsible tourism to protect the province's natural resources and preserve its pristine beauty. The islands of Palawan offer a wealth of marine biodiversity, making it a perfect destination for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Dive sites like Tubataha Reefs Natural Park are teeming with vibrant coral reefs and marine species. Palawan's stunning beaches, such as Nakpan Beach in El Nido and Malcapuea Island in Coron, offer visitors a chance to unwind and relax in paradise-like settings. The Calamian Islands in northern Palawan provide opportunities for wreck diving, where divers can explore Japanese shipwrecks from World War II, such as the Irako and Okikawa Maru. Palawan is a great destination for island hopping adventures. El Nido's Bacuit Bay and Coron's Kayanan Lake are popular stops during island hopping tours, offering scenic views and refreshing swims. If you're interested in cultural immersion, consider visiting the Tuban Caves in Puerto Princesa. These caves contain archaeological artifacts and human remains dating back thousands of years. Palawan's charm lies in its untouched beauty, where visitors can experience the wonders of nature and immerse themselves in the rich culture of the local communities. It is truly a paradise that should be on every traveler's bucket list.